Okay, guys, continuation of 4.5 Conditionals Explore. You guys should have got to this point where we made this flowchart. This part is our variable. We've got a variable called time. There's nothing assigned to it. This is our conditional statement. Remember, conditional statements are in the diamonds. This says if time is less than 8, then it's true, I can go to the movies. If it's not, then it's false, I can't go to the movies. I think you guys did this yesterday. We're going to move on to the next one. This one, y'all need to see this, and I'm basically just going to give you the answer on this one. But you guys are making this one now. It says, have I won the game? I have if my score times my lives is greater than 10. So what you guys need to do is this. You guys need to create this flowchart. Make a variable with score and put nothing in it. Make a variable with lives, put nothing in it. In your conditional statement, it should say score multiplied by lives is greater than 10. Then it's true. I've won the game. If it's false, I haven't won the game. And then on 5, 6, and 7, you're going to do this on your worksheet. You're going to snip this first, and then you're going to do 5, 6, 7 right here. So it gives you numbers to plug in for your variables. If my score is 3 and my lives are 3, then 3 times 3 is 9. 9 greater than 10? False. So that would be your output. Put false, and you need to show your work. 3 times 3, and make sure you put false, because 9 is not greater than 10, and put I haven't won the game yet. Do the same thing for 6 and 7. You can pause this video if you need to. Okay, for the next part, we're going to go back to our video, or to our worksheet, and you guys need to answer this question. I basically gave you the answers right here. What is a logical operator? It's an AND or an OR symbol that determines whether a Boolean is true or false. Okay? And right here, you guys need to write that. And then right here, the double AND sign means and it also means both have to be true. I'll explain what that means in a second. This parallel sign means OR, only one has to be true. This operator, we talked about this yesterday, means not. Okay? So basically, the way I can explain this, and it's best if you guys are here in person, but I'm going to do my best over video. Okay, we're going to pretend that I had a person to mow my yard and wash my car. I told them I would give them money if they mowed my yard and washed my car. The key word in that sentence being this right here, the and. Both have to be true on the ands. So if it's true, he mowed my yard, and true, he washed my car, then the statement is true. Okay? Because an and, both of them have to be true for the expression to result in a true. Okay? So if he mowed my yard, true, and he did not wash my car, then the statement would be false. Okay? You guys can do the next ones on your own for and. Okay? Make sure you pause the video to finish these. I'm going to explain the OR. The OR is these double lines, the parallel lines. Remember, only one has to be true to make the statement true. So, a true or a true, he mowed my yard or washed the car, that makes the statement true because only one of them have to be true. He mowed my yard or didn't wash the car, but that's fine. All he had to do was one, so to make it true. Hope this makes sense to you guys. Just know that if you see an and sign, okay? If you see an and sign like this, both statements on the sides have to be true to make the whole expression true. If you see an or sign, only one thing has to be true, okay? All right, so you guys can finish that part. The next part you guys are going to do, I'm going to actually show you on my notes. So right here, I'm going to show you. Don't do this one yourself. Just watch this. This says, can I adopt a cat? I can if I have $40 and I am over 14 years old. So this one, they started with two variables. One is called money. They put nothing in the value. One is called age. They put nothing in the value. This conditional statement, the diamond, the conditional statement, says if the age is greater than 14, then if it's true, then go here to this conditional statement. If my money is equal to 40, okay, if both of those are true, I'd go to I can adopt a cat. If either one of those is false, I can't adopt a cat, okay? So you don't have to make this one. I'm going to show you how to make it easier. We're going to combine conditional statement number 1 and conditional statement number 2 and use a logical operator, the AND, to make sure you have to have both of them true. So we're going to try this out. Money's 39, age is 17. 17 is greater than 14, it makes it true. We go this way. Money, if it's equal to 40, no it's not, so that's false, so I can't adopt a cat. Okay. We talked about these already. Let me fast forward you guys to the way it's supposed to be written, and I want you guys to make this right here. It's basically the same thing, except they combine the conditional statements using the logical symbols here. So basically this one says, if my money is equal to 40, and, remember and means both have to be true, and my age is greater than 14, that would be true, and a true would make this statement true, and I can adopt a cat. Now here we go. Let's try it out. We're going to try it with $40 and our age is 15. So our money equals 40, yes. And does our age greater than 14? Yes, that's true and true, which makes the statement true. So I can adopt a cat. Okay, you guys are going to need to do this. Put this down on your own. And if you guys were actually thinking about this, the one thing I might change of this, what if I had 45 or 50 bucks? Would I be able to buy this cat? Probably not, because my money doesn't equal 40. Okay, so what I might use for this operator is a greater than or equal to sign. Just thinking outside the box. Okay, and the very last part you guys need to do is this. You need to, it's your turn to make a flow chart. You're going to think back to the warm-up where we discussed making a decision on what to wear in an event. I'm going to give you guys a hint. The decision right here needs to be, should I wear a jacket to the event? Okay, you need to write that right here. This down here should say, I don't need a jacket, or I will wear a jacket. Okay, and your variables are your two questions that you answered, and you should make your variables temp. Okay, because you need to know the temperature, and you need to make a string variable that says inside or outside. Okay, you need to write down your variables. Make sure in the diamond shape create your Boolean expression for your conditional statement. Draw true or false for here and here, and challenge. Use the logical operators that we learned about to combine your conditional statement. Then add extra branches. You guys can make this right here on your manipulative, and once you fill it in, turn this in for your points.